Someone's trash is another man's treasure. But at the house of Gems in downtown McKinney, the treasure is treasure.
So about our store, we sell a lot of recycled metal art. We have some jewelry, Native American jewelry we get from New Mexico.
The shop works with a group of artists working in Las Vegas who make the recycled art.
We do sell some geos we get from Brazil, and we have some petrified wood that we get from Indonesia.
What first began 3 years ago, and because of their unique art, they found success quickly.
I love the metal art. The metal art is really nice. It's a lot of different ones, different pieces. It's very unique.
By simply recycling trash, they can bring life to new creations and opportunities for others. For the Gloria Shields Workshop, I'm Micaiah Anderson. Thanks for watching.